Today we're making a Mediterranean wrap. Quick and easy recipe, and we're using leftover rotisserie chicken. First things first, we need to get some of that chicken out of here. I'm doing this by hand because it's the easiest way to get skin off and the bones off and all that stuff. Of course, you can use forks. There's our pulled off chicken, nice little chunks. Here are all the ingredients for the wrap. For the most part, this creates a mayonnaise-based sauce, and then the remainder of the wrap is simply some greens. I'm using baby spinach and arugula, of course the chicken, and we need some kind of crumbly cheese. A feta would be good, or a mozzarella would be really good since we are on a Mediterranean theme here. I've had this Mexican crumbly cheese sitting in my fridge for a few months, so it needs to go. This is a good occasion. And then, of course, we need some large wraps. I'm having burrito wraps here, but you know, there's a ton of 10 to 13-inch wraps out there. We are using standard mayonnaise out of a jar. For the mayo, we are using scallions, chopped basil, chopped oregano, chopped sun-dried tomatoes, and a little bit of Parmesan cheese. To give this a little bit of a kick, I'm using some garlic, which I'm gonna grind into here. Maybe like half a clove will do easily. If you don't like garlic, leave it out. And now all we need is some mayonnaise on top of this. That should do for one wrap. There we go. Let's add some salt and pepper. Pinch of salt. Couple grinds of pepper. Nice. The next step is easy. Grab yourself a burrito wrap. So I put a decent amount of this mayo in. So I'm in the lower third, and I'm leaving left and right a little bit of space, maybe an inch, because we need that to fold up. Now add a generous amount of rotisserie chicken. Add some chopped tomatoes. If you have an avocado and you want to add avocado, this would be the time. I don't, so I'm just using some of the greens here. Nice. Now for the folding and rolling part. You fold this in, hold it with your fingers, and then you fold up. Push stuff in. See? And now these corners fold out again. So the trick to this is you fold them over again, both sides, and then you keep rolling this up. And there you have a perfectly rolled burrito. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. And there's a quick lunch. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. It really helps my channel. I will see you next time.